One of the biggest fears that stops a lot of people from investing in real estate and becoming landlords is the fear of having to evict a tenant, whether it's because of lack of payment or because they're destroying your property. Here today, I want to share 3 recommendations that I do for my investment properties to mitigate this risk to make sure this doesn't happen to you. Number 1, you make sure you hire a professional real estate agent that can help you filter the tenants that you are accepting. And you will filter them the following way. You would ask for IDs of all the adults, last 3-month bank statements, last 3 pay stubs, renter application, as well as a full credit report, not just the score, but the full report. And lastly, a police background check of your county. That way you can verify that that tenant has not gotten evicted previously to moving into your property. The second thing I would recommend you do is that you ask for a 2-month security deposit. That way you have enough funds to repair any damages, and the tenant knows that if he gives you back the property in bad shape, you can put a claim on his deposit, which is 2 months, which is quite a lot of money. And finally, make sure to request from the tenant to have a renter's policy and to add you as an additional interested landlord. Therefore, if the tenant leaves the property in bad shape, you can always put a claim against the renter's insurance to pay you for the repairs that the tenant didn't fix before leaving. But if you have any other further questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.